Hello, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to install this two set of door stabilizer on the RAV4. Come on, let's begin. All right, so these are the Aisin Door Stabilizer. This will fit most Toyota models. In this case, we will install this on our 5th gen RAV4. Okay, these are basically the same as the TRD door stabilizer that we install on our 4Runner. But the one on our 4Runner, they are TRD branded. This is the actual manufacturer of those TRD branded one. So we went directly to Aisin and basically installing two sets, basically two on each set on our RAV4, and this will be more effective instead of installing two, because of course RAV4 they got 4 doors, all right, and this will be much effective if there is any, okay? But these are basically, they're marketing this basically to make it more rigid, okay? Make it more responsive. So that's their marketing on this one. So there's really no way of us testing that, especially we're not really driving like high speed racing or whatever. But yeah, so it's an addition in there. So let's see what's in the box. So we have the user manual in here, which is in Japanese. Okay, has some, I think this is like a registration card or warranty stuff in here. Cannot read Japanese. So it got an English side of the manual, okay? So yeah, so basically it just says what's on the box in there. So now let's see what we have here. So we have the base. These are the base. This one attaches to the actual doors, okay? We got some plates in here, okay? We got those plates. I'll remove them in the plastic in a moment. And we have the actual striker. So let's put that on the side. This is how they look like, okay? Okay, the one on the 4Runner or the TRD version of this one, basically it has a TRD logo. It's stamped in there. This one, it has the Aisin printed in here. But again, this is the same manufacturer of the TRD. So basically same thing here, okay? So these are well built. Again, these are made in Japan. So again, they're being marketed to improve rigidity and response, steering wheel response. Okay, these are the plates that goes on the base, which will be this one. So you slide this in later once you complete the installation. All right, so with the tools that we're gonna need these tools. Gonna need basically a wrench, so a T30 and a T40. Okay, we're gonna need a torque wrench also, so that we can basically tighten them to the correct specs. So yep, so that's all we need. Basically very easy, very straightforward on how to do this. So first, let's remove the factory striker plate on the driver's side. All right, so the factory striker plate, this is the T40. Again, very easy to remove. And we're gonna reuse the factory bolts. All right, so as you see here, the striker plate, the factory striker plate is also made by Aisin, as you see there, all right? So we're really using a OEM part manufacturer. So yeah, this is good. Don't buy the knockoffs that are available on eBay. Again, safety first, all right? So you don't want like your doors like opening up if something breaks if you buy the knockoffs. So yeah, so stay away from those knockoffs, especially if it has this type of function, all right? So now let's install the new one. All right, so installing this, the one with the logo in here, it goes inside. Okay, and that's how we're gonna position it. Okay, we're not gonna tighten that yet. We're gonna put on the second bolt. Okay, so now with the second bolt in here, just secure that. Then we're gonna tighten it, but not too tight yet, because we're gonna torque this with the proper values. So just enough to get it secured. So now what we're gonna do with this one, let's torque it to the correct values. I'll be right back. All right, so now we need to torque this one out to 23 Newton meters. So let's open that up and just torque it. There you go. There you go. So now it's torqued to specs. What we need to do next, we need to work on the door itself. All right. All right, so putting on the base, a plate in here, we need to remove these two screws in here. Just these two. You don't want to remove all of them, just to make sure that this won't get misaligned. All right, and yeah, make sure you torque this back to specs. All right, this is like 5 Newton meters, I believe. I'll double check once we get to that point. All right, so first let's remove this. What I'm gonna do on this one, the way that I'm gonna do this, unscrew the top one first, and then once I put the base, I will remove the bottom, just to avoid any alignment issues. Okay, so working it this way, basically it will minimize the chance of any alignment issues. So yeah. All right, so now we're gonna torque this one in a moment here. Just secure them. Again, don't fully tighten them yet, just to make sure we got, or we're gonna get the correct torque on this one. All right. All right. So for this, it's gonna be 5 Newton meters. There you go. There you go. Very easy to install, straightforward. Now we need to slide in the covers. So I believe it goes this way. Just slide them. There you go. There you go. So now, moment of truth. Let's see if it will close. All right. All right, let's close it. There you go. So it closed, no problem. So just do all same process on all 3 remaining doors. All right. So yeah, so if you want to purchase this, I'll put the link in the description below. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing. Thank you for watching.